Got a rusty panel. Now, this is our favorite part. Our favorite part. This is what we use. I'm just gonna shut the phone off there. So this is this phosphoric or? You're right. No, it's phosphoric acid.
Do you read the ingredients?
Yeah, it says in Spanish. What? Oh, it's on this side? No, it's not.
Let's see.
What does that say, Tony? No, it's right in the middle. Concrete and metal prep, El Fosforico, right? Okay, good. Here.
No.
That's what it says. Either way, we have surface rust on here. As you can see, surface rust. You gotta wear gloves. The stuff will make you kind of sick. We use this at full strength. So I don't know what it is when you're supposed to be doing concrete, but this ain't concrete. So we're gonna spray this on here with one of these bottles here. These are the chemical resistant sprayer. So you spray it on here. Even if this is really pitted metal, it'll still do just fine. It'll work great. So we spray it on here, let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Then we take red Scotch-Brite pad and scrub it down. We do this to everything that's got any kind of surface rust on it at all. And then we'll come back and clean it with soapy water, dry it right away, and DA it, and then shoot a etch prime on it. So, see, you can see how it instantly turns dark. Best part about it is when it comes down and drips onto the concrete, it cleans your concrete too. So there you go. You get 2 in 1. For this purpose, I'm going to show you in just a second. It'll clean the entire panel here in just a sec. But
I can't find the sheet for it.
yeah, you can take a Scotch-Brite. What we like to do is we shoot it on here, come back, scrub it in, get it down in the middle, and then do it again in a minute. Because, you know, a lot of times all of it doesn't come off all at once, so. All right, so this is afterwards. It's all cleaned up. You can see, really nice and shiny. This is only one pass with the metal prep. So that's, you don't get scared about rust because, you know, it turns out like this, not a problem. And it won't come back. I mean, we can actually leave this in bare metal, and it's a little difficult for it to rust even with fingerprints because it has a film on it. So that's the reason why you want to clean it off before you shoot any primer or anything on it, because it does have a film. So, but we can leave it like this for now and not have to really worry about it too much. But we're gonna clean it and then prime it after we're done welding it up. Here's another thing too. For y'all doing lift kits, don't forget to extend your brake line. That's a very important thing. You can almost play guitar off of that.
Is that a G string?
It is a G string. Yeah. We're not even lifting up on this thing right now. It's just took the motor out, and that's how tight that thing is right now.
now, bro?
Nope.
I didn't even make a copy.
And just like that, it is done. Firewall complete. So, sorry, I got a lot of stuff in my nose. I do wear a mask though, just saying. So this is all good to go. So the next thing that we're gonna get to pretty soon here is the inside. See, it's still got handprints and everything, and all those welds in there have to be ground down. So we'll be doing that. Inside has to look just as good as the outside, even though all this gets covered up. So that rag that I just had that's soaking wet, that's soapy water, and I just went and skimmed over this and then went and dried it, and then I'm going to prime it now. So there's something I forgot to show y'all. This car came in a couple days ago. This car used to be red. So this is a 1970 Charger that came in. And if you notice, right here, that gap is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be like that side, see? Well, this car, last time it was here, when it was red, it was getting dropped off. And there was a big semi truck sitting right here with a car haul on it. And it wasn't in park. No e-brake or anything. And that car, from right about here, sitting on the trailer, that thing took off, rolled down the trailer, hauled ass, and stopped right here in the building. That's the imprint of a 70 Charger right here. So that piece I was just showing you with the gap in it is right here. That was a bad day. I mean, it crushed. You can tell the thing was booking it. It was moving pretty good. But when a car takes off a trailer like that, you don't necessarily go running after it. I mean, it busted it up. All this was just smashed in. We didn't fix it, but man, that sounds pretty cool, dude. Do it again. Oh, tin fork. Very good.
Play some music.
You know that song's probably copyrighted, right?
It probably is. You're probably gonna get demonetized.
Most likely, I'm getting demonetized for that.
Yeah. Do this.
Oh, where'd you find my socket wrench?
This thing pulled those ball joints out like nothing.
How far does that extend?
It was like farting through silk.
Far
That's fancy for all you folks that don't know what farting through silk is like. See, they're threaded in, unlike Ford and Chevrolet and all that.
Good God. Good old Mopar stuff right there. Yeah, those are nice threads too. Yeah, they're beautiful. Where'd you get that thing from?
This,
That's yours?
yeah.
Dang. What else you got in that box, man?
You got everything in there. Everything we need's in there, man. If you ever wonder if they make a tool or something, just ask Jackson. He'd be like, yeah, I got one right here.
He was sitting there hitting the wrench every time.
Jesus. Anyways, just had to show you that charger because that was a crazy day. It was bad. Don't tell anyone though. So. Well, anyways, so for today we are done. It is the end of the day. We're good to go on the firewall. The inside's good. It's all nice. I did notice one thing. Oh, see the beads. The beads really help with the strength. It's very strong. But that big open spot right in the middle with all the heat pouring out of the weld, even though those welds they're still low heat, but it can get kind of hot around here. The spot welds don't generate too much heat, but with all that, it still has oil canning. You can hear it, right? I mean, it doesn't move that much, but all we got to do, and I think I'll film that process too, is heat it up here, and then we'll dolly it out and cool it off, and then dolly it again after that. And what it does is it shrinks that metal right here in the middle, right? You gotta find the pinpoint. See, it's not doing it here, it does it there, and it doesn't do it here. So it's right in the middle here, and we'll heat that thing up and cool it off and dolly it out, and it won't do that anymore. So after that, it'll be super strong. So there's an AC box going here, vintage air AC, and some probably, oh, there's no computers in this. So yeah, in this car, no computers. So there's not gonna be anything but an AC box in here and a gas pedal and a brake pedal and e-brake. So yeah.